Hi everyone, this is Emmy. Today I'm going to show you how to crochet this very easy halter top. So let's get started. To crochet this easy halter top, I'm working with Mainstays yarn. You can get this yarn at Walmart. And it has 260 meters or 285 yards, and one skein is enough to make any size of this halter. So I'm going to use that. You could use cotton yarn. And I'm going to use a 6mm crochet hook. And I'm going to start with a slip knot. And I'm going to work a foundation chain that reaches across the chest. And when you have your foundation chain the correct length, we're going to double crochet in the third stitch from the hook. To work a double crochet, yarn around the hook, insert into the stitch, pick up the yarn and pull it through, pick up the yarn, pull it through 2 loops, pick up the yarn, pull it through 2 loops. And I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to work 1 double crochet in each of the stitches all the way across the row. Like that, all the way across the row. Okay, I worked all the way across the row. For the next row, chain 2, and that will count as a double crochet. And now I'm going to double crochet in every stitch across the row. Like that, all the way across the row. Okay, I worked all the way across the row. Now this next row will be repeated over and over until the halter top is finished, and that is chain 1 and turn. And that chain 1 is going to count as the first single crochet. If you are new to crochet, that chain 1 stitch may be difficult to find, so if you place a stitch marker there, you'll be able to identify that last stitch when you get back to work around at the end of the row. So that's chain 1 took the place of the first stitch. So in the second stitch, I'm going to work 2 single crochet. So 1, and in the same stitch, a second single crochet. So that's 2 single crochet in that stitch. We're going to work across the row, and then I'm going to make 2 single crochet in the stitch before the last stitch. So I'm going to go ahead and work across the row, single crochet in each of the stitches. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to work across the row all the way across, and then I'll come back and show you how to end the row. Okay, I've worked all the way across the row. My last stitch is going to be here, so this is my second to last stitch, and I'm going to work 2 single crochet in that stitch, and then 1 single crochet in that last stitch. Chain 1 and turn. And I'm going to place a mark in that stitch. So that chain 1 is taking the place of the first stitch, and that's the first stitch. This is the second stitch. I'm going to work 2 single crochet in that stitch. 1 and 2. So 2 single crochet in the second stitch of the row. And now I'm going to continue across the row, making 1 single crochet in each of the stitches. And when I've worked all the way across the row, this is going to be my last stitch. So in this stitch, I'm going to work 2 single crochet and then 1 single crochet in that last stitch. So you're just going to keep repeating the increase on each side over and over until your halter top is as long as you would like it to be. So if you need more chest coverage, you could increase by 3 stitches at each side. So now we're going to work the ties. And I'm going to work a chain as long as you need it to be able to tie in the back, and that could be anywhere from 12 inches to 18 inches. So you're going to go ahead and work that chain. And for a child's halter top, you would probably be fine with just one layer of the cord. But for a more durable cord, you can then work back across the cord and work one single crochet in each of the stitches of the chain cord. Like that, all the way back to the main body of the cord. Like that, all the way back across the cord. And when you get back to the main body, you can just slip stitch to join, like that, fasten off, and weave the yarn end into the finished work. And you'll make a cord like that at each top edge and one on each bottom edge. And there's a finished halter. If you'd like to have more support across the chest, you can cut the sides and the straps off a bra and then just sew it inside on the two sides, and that will give you more support. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.